Jeez, Eli. Holy cow. I'm not even close to the hole. See that wick?
Oh, this is gonna be a good day.
Didn't catch it though. He just followed it. Big, Eli.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Oh. Dang, guys, really nice brownie. Tell me when you're ready.
It's filming. Oh, redo.
Bro,
I'm sorry about that.
go. Beauty. Okay guys, big brown just came out and smashed it. There's a big tree under there though, so see Eli? That's gonna screw me. Let some line out and get out of my way, please. Oh. Probably gonna snap me. Get out of there. Yes, yes, yes. Come on. Eli, go in there right now.
You got my lure?
Yeah, and get that tree out of there too. Oh my God. Jeez, Eli. Holy cow. Oh. That's a good fish.
Is it?
Yay. Alright guys, got a nice little rainbow on. It just snapped me off. This thing's probably gonna... No, bro! Freaker. Yay!
Oh.
Another one, guys. Nice wild brown. Got another one, y'all. Another little fish. There we go. Oh, guys, nice brown. Nice brown. Really nice brown. I think. Must have been. Got the brown. There we go. Blowing off. Oh yeah.